This video is to show you how to upload an assignment onto Google Classroom. This is the student view of Google Classroom. So I am currently logged in as a student, and I'm going to show you how to upload a document using this one as an example. So this is Judaism. I have already completed the assignment and I am ready to turn it in. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back to the assignment on Google Classroom and click on Open. Once I click Open, it gives me more details about the assignment. It currently tells me that it's not done. I have the option to mark it as done, but I haven't submitted my work yet. To submit my work, I will need to click here as Add, and I want to attach the file. So since it is saved onto my computer, it is not on Google Drive, I need to attach the file. Now to attach the file, there are two different ways to do this. I can either find the file, let's say it was saved onto my desktop, I could click and drag the file into this box, or I can select file from your computer and it will show me some of the different folders I have on my computer. Most of the time, your documents are going to be under downloads because you've just downloaded them from Google Classroom. So I'm going back to downloads. I'm going to find the document, which I have a lot here. It was titled Judaism. And it was this worksheet that I need to upload. So once I find the worksheet, I'm going to click on it and I click Choose. Now it is here and ready to upload. I just need to click on this blue Upload button. It will take a couple of seconds and then it will show up on under your work as attached. Now here is my hint to turn it in. All I need to do is click Turn In a couple of times. Ask if you're finished. I would recommend that you make sure all of your attachments are here before clicking Turn In, because once you click Turn In, now it's going to mark your work as done. So that is all. Let's see. If you have any questions, please ask. So now, just to be sure, we'll click on this back arrow. And I now see the same assignment, and it is marked as done.